The power was out. My phone had no signal, and someone inside my house whispered my name, even though I was alone. It happened on a rainy Thursday evening. Not normal rain, the kind that makes the sky look black, the kind that makes your house feel cut off from the world. I was home alone. My parents were working late. The storm was so loud I had to turn the TV volume higher just to hear it. At 5:17 p.m., the lights flickered. At 5:19 p.m., they flickered again. At 5:21 p.m., they went out. Everything went silent except the rain and thunder. Then I heard movement upstairs. Not loud, not fast, slow steps, like someone walking carefully, trying not to be heard. I froze on the sofa. I told myself it was the house making sounds. Old houses do that. Then I heard my bedroom door creak open upstairs. I knew that sound. I hear it every day. I whispered, "Hello?" No answer. I grabbed my phone and turned on the flashlight. The beam looked weak, like the darkness was swallowing it. I walked to the stairs. Halfway up, I heard something else. Breathing. Slow. Heavy. Right above me. I stopped moving. The breathing stopped too, like it knew I was listening. I forced myself to keep going. When I reached the hallway, all the doors were closed, except my bedroom door. It was open just enough to see darkness inside. I pushed it open slowly. My window was unlocked. Rain was hitting the glass hard. The curtain was moving even though the window was closed. Lightning flashed. In the window reflection, I saw myself standing there, but my reflection was smiling. I wasn't. I spun around. Nothing was there. My phone buzzed, a message from my mom. "Did you lock the back door?" My stomach dropped. I hadn't checked it. I rushed downstairs. The kitchen light was on. I was sure I left it off. The back door was closed, but unlocked. I locked it quickly. My hands were shaking. Then I heard something behind me. A voice. Soft. Close. "Why did you lock me out?" I turned around. Nothing. The lights came back for 1 second. Just one, and in that second I saw a wet footprint on the kitchen floor. Then, darkness again. The storm got louder. The house felt smaller. Then footsteps started. Downstairs. Walking slowly across the living room. Then the sofa sank slightly, like someone sat down. I couldn't see anything, but I could hear fabric moving, like someone adjusting their position. Then the TV turned on by itself. Static filled the screen. Then words appeared in the static. "Look behind you." I didn't. I couldn't. Then my phone flashlight died. Total darkness. Then I felt something brush past my shoulder. Cold. Wet. like someone who had been in the rain. I ran and hid in the closet under the stairs. I held my mouth closed so I wouldn't make noise. The footsteps moved closer, stopped outside the closet door. Then I heard whispering, right next to the door, my name, over and over. Then silence. After a long time, the power came back. I waited 10 more minutes before coming out. Nothing was there. No footprints, no wet floor, nothing. When my parents came home, they found everything normal. I almost believed I imagined it. Until morning. On the living room window, written from the inside, I waited for you. I cleaned it. That night it came back with more words. Don't lock the door next time. Have you ever felt like someone was inside your home even when you knew you were alone? Tell me your story in the comments. I checked the security camera the next day. At 5:21 p.m., when the power went out, there was one frame recorded. Just one. It showed me standing in the living room, looking directly at the camera, smiling. But I remember being upstairs. So tell me, if that was me in the living room, then who was walking upstairs? And why did the back door unlock itself again last night?